When selecting our tungsten type, we need to first ask the question of, are we welding with an inverter or are we welding with a transformer? Inverter machines can use serrated, lanthanated, and rare earth tungstens. Transformer machines can also use pure tungstens along with serrated, lanthanated, and rare earth. Typically, we don't recommend using the pure tungsten with inverter machines. Now that we've chosen the correct tungsten type, we need to choose the correct tungsten size. Tungsten size is determined by the amperage you're running. Each application can be a little bit different. Refer to the chart to select the correct tungsten size for your application. Now that we've chosen the correct tungsten type and tungsten size for your application, we're going to go into tungsten prep. Typically, we want to use a diamond grinding wheel with a tungsten grinder to sharpen our tungsten. For DC welding, we sharpen our tungsten to a point. For AC welding, we sharpen it to a point and knock the point off. Sharpening your tungsten correctly will give you the most control of your welding arc. Now that we've selected our correct tungsten type, size, and prep, we're ready to TIG weld. For more information, go to millerwelds.com.